UKG prize winners are UKG B section, running race, boys, Praveen. Second place goes to, first prize goes to Praveen. Second prize goes to Afsar Ahmed. Third place goes to Mukesh Varar. Running race girls. First place goes to Udisha Sri. Second prize goes to Danya Sri. And third place goes to Jita Sri. Zigzag race. First place goes to Sham. Second place goes to Dibesh. Third place goes to Krishav. Obstacle race. First place goes to Harshini. Second place goes to Sandhya. Third place goes to Pranavi. UKG C section, running race boys, first place Sri Lakshan. Second place Arjun. Third place goes to Sai Satyanarayanan. Running race girls, first place goes to Nityashree. Second place goes to Diksha. Third place goes to Dani Lakshmi. Zigzag race, first place goes to Nimilan. Second place goes to Krishwant. Third place goes to Kavinaya Sai. Obstacle race. First place goes to Varun. Second place goes to Sashwat Vel. Third place goes to Vibhusha Sri. UKG D section, running race boys. First place goes to Kabilesh. Second place goes to Aryan. Third place goes to Theophilus Abraham. Running race, girls. First place goes to Sashwati Sri. Second place goes to Adrian Jessina. Third place goes to Hanshika. Zigzag race. First place goes to Kridev. Second place Pontarun Ranjan. And third place goes to Johanna Princess. Obstacle race. First prize goes to Magiran. Second Second prize goes to Darshini. UKG E section. First place goes to Prakash. Second place goes to Guhan. Third place goes to Parvesh. Running race girls. First prize goes to Ashmita Evangeline. Second place goes to Kritisha. Third place goes to Pratusha. Zigzag race. First place goes to Kanishk. Second place goes to Rohit Manigandan. And third place Ashmita. Obstacle race. First place Rohan. Second place Akhilesh Karthik. And third place goes to Arjun. UKG F section. Prize winners are running race first place Gautam. Second place Chatur Sai Mahendran. Third prize goes to Mohammad Shafiq. Running race girls. First place goes to Vaishnavi. Second place goes to Tejashwini. And third place goes to Mridula. Zigzag race. First place goes to Hipsa. Second place goes to Lishant Sri. And third place goes to Diyasri. Obstacle race. First place goes to Akhilesh Kumaran. Second place goes to Vetrivel. UKG head section. Running race first place Krishnavel. Second place goes to Panishwaran. Third place goes to Kaushik. Running race girls. First place goes to Rohita. Second place goes to Asfiya Muskin. Third place goes to Pranavi. Zigzag race. First place goes to Jaydeep. Second place goes to Sanjita. And third place goes to Shakti. Obstacle race. First place goes to Krishnaville A. Second place goes to Vedika. Third place goes to Tugilan. UKG high section. Running race boys. First place goes to Harshan. Second place goes to Sanjay. Third place goes to Johan Varghese Arun. Running race girls. First place goes to Daphne. Second place goes to Denisa. And third place goes to Tia Yadav. Zigzag race. First prize goes to Harshan. Second prize goes to Tilipan Kanna. Third place goes to Lingeshwar. Obstacle race. First prize goes to Daphne. Second place goes to Swati. And third place goes to Leander. UKG J section. Running race first place Shakti Sai. Second place goes to Tilak Ilongovan. And third place goes to Vignesh. Running race girls. First place goes to Harshita. Second place goes to Danushree. And third place goes to Shakti. Zigzag race. First place goes to Ritik. Second place goes to Prithvi. And third place goes to Avantika. Obstacle race, first place goes to Srimatra. Second place goes to Harini. And third place goes to Sai Rakshan. UKG K section, running race boys. First place goes to Tarun. Second place goes to Prithvi Sai. Third place goes to Nadrajan. Running race girls. First place goes to Tanushree. Second place goes to Prajana. Third place goes to Dikshana Priya. Zigzag race. First place goes to Hasika. Second place goes to Kishore Samuel. Third place goes to Venu Priyank. Obstacle race. First place goes to Sarah James. Second place goes to Dhanwant. And third place goes to Ridhan. UKG L section. Running race. First place goes to Afik. Third place goes to Mogana Ruben. Girls. First place goes to Yarani. Second place goes to Sharanita. And third place goes to Nandika. Zigzag race. First place goes to Nivita. Second place goes to Gugastri. And third place goes to Sam. Obstacle race. First place goes to Jesslyn Janet. Second place goes to Sri Sashmita. And third place goes to Jnana Charan. It's time for the individual championship. Pre-KG.